So here what we are going to see is about the thyroglossal duct. In the embryonic life, there is a connection between the thyroid and the tongue. So this stays a midline formation of a duct. So this is called as a thyroglossal duct. Later on what happens, even in adults, now this does not atrophies. So it remains as it is, and there might be a collection of fluid in it. So this would result in a abscess or cyst formation in the thyroglossal duct. So this becomes a complication where the patient will be having a swelling in the neck. So we have special codes for excision of thyroglossal duct cyst. So you can understand that it is an embryological remnant. Other times we also have so many other thyroid disorders like hyperthyroidism, MNG, multinodular goitre, thyrotoxicosis. In such cases, the physician is going to go for the removal of the gland. The CPT lists various procedures on the thyroid, like you need to know what is a partial thyroidectomy, what is a lobectomy, what is a unilateral thyroidectomy, because the procedures might be confusing. You need to know exactly what is being done or what is being removed, so that we have to report the codes accordingly. So as we have two lobes, sometimes the doctor might remove the right lobe alone completely. So it would be a unilateral thyroid lobectomy. So in that case, you can't be reporting a code for a total thyroidectomy, because a total thyroidectomy involves removal of the entire right and left lobes, including the isthmus.